There you go, Rod. 88 inches twin cam for $1,400. I gotta get me a video camera like strapped to the side of my head, you know, so people don't really notice it one way or the other. Well, I would sure like to find a set of rear crash bars for FXR. Those are sweet too, aren't they? Figures. I don't know if they fit. Oh, plead the second.
Well, it looks a lot like this. It's got a pull. Yeah. See, that's why I said that was a little different. The exhaust.
Those are like, see, those are bad too. But you know, we used to use these on the Sportsters, on the early Sportsters.
That big guy, I was thinking about buying a Sportster from that big guy about 6 months ago or whenever it's, how long has it been? 50 bucks. That might be the way to go. Oh, here's Harley bags. Got the engravings on them. That's where they're junk, huh? What I think I'm going to do is finish this row out and really earnestly start running through this place to try to find what I'm looking for. With title, it says far out. What's the Well, everybody's here from up north. I can see it. Yeah.
It's like $1.40. That's brand new. You get an MFD.
You don't even know that shit's worth money.
You realize what an awesome deal we got?
On the street it ain't.
You need some pants? $10, use Levi's.
Hey, how are ya? Are you guys
Yeah, that's what I need. My little bench house.
Not all of it. No. You haven't seen Belle's mower yet. Hey, where's your book? I set up in the garage.
No, my bar out in the, north.
I'm not seeing a lot of brothers here today. You really ought to be down here, Rod.